Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm sharing with you this keto recipe. It's a loaded cauliflower bake, and basically it tastes like a loaded baked potato with sour cream and cream cheese, bacon, regular cheese. It's so good. It tastes like you're cheating on keto, but you're really not. So it's high fat, full of cauliflower and all the good things. You can also add whatever you would put on a loaded baked potato, like chives and onions and things like that. I'm not a chive fan, so I skipped those. But I'm going to go ahead and leave the recipe down in the description box below. It's not my recipe. I can't take credit. I just found it on Pinterest. But I've made it about 3 times in the last 10 days, so I thought it was definitely share worthy here on my YouTube channel, because I know a lot of you are on your fitness journeys with 2019 just starting. So here I'm just adding the mayonnaise and sour cream. Like I said, I'll leave all the exact measurements down below in the description box. Here it does call for bacon, but I just did the cheat easy way. I bought a bag of bacon bits and you can't tell at all. And then there I'm adding the ranch seasoning packet. Well, not the full packet. Go reference the recipe for how much. And then you just mix it all together, and then you're gonna toss in the steamed cauliflower and mix it all up. And this recipe did make enough for 2 different batches. So one of them I actually added some grilled chicken breast to, and I think overall we prefer it without the grilled chicken. Kirk agrees. He doesn't love it so much with the chicken. It's not bad, but it's just really good by itself. It doesn't need the chicken, but you can try it however you like and add whatever you want in. So you just go ahead and spray a pan or a baking dish, and then you're going to put foil on it and then put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 20 minutes covered with foil, and then the last 5 minutes you're going to uncover it. And that's it, guys. I was holding a baby at the end when I was trying to scoop it out, so I was doing it one-handed. It was a little bit hard, but this is it. It's so good. Family favorite. Try it out.